thing is wrong.
Yeah, I would like to add something.
He said something. He said something.
Just a minute.
Okay, then I will.
If I am a businessman, if I am spending 5,000 rupees, and I will try to utilize at least 10 times. Otherwise, I am not a
Okay,
businessman.
and all the costs
Just
tax benefits are also for
just a
the
minute.
public.
Give me a
He
minute.
is not giving
Just
to
give me a
another.
minute.
Yeah, let him speak. No? Yeah.
If I am a businessman, I am putting my 5,000 rupees,
agreed.
and I will
You
always
working.
try that I will earn 10,000, 10 times money. If I am breaking some rules, there is a law which will there is some penalty or some other provision for that. I am ready to pay for that. Why I will pay? Because I am earning 10 times, and there may be
You are saving 50%.
just a minute. Government has made the same rule. Government has prepared the same provisions for us. Why I am saying that? Because they know that I will break that, and they also know that I will pay the. I am ready to pay. Just
The government did not.
We can let her speak. We can let her speak. She has spoken. We can let her speak.
yes. Okay.
See, if you said you are giving 5,000 and you are 50,000 and you're giving salary to your employee, but
No,
somewhere
I
you
am
are
not
no,
taking-
I'm saying like you are
that.
also
I am not
benefiting the
saying
people.
that.
You are
No, I am not. I am not benefiting the people.
You are not
I
giving
am
the
sorry.
tax. You are not giving the tax.
I think we are getting too much weight in a single
Exactly.
topic.
Yeah.
The
No,
topic
I
is
would
this
just
was
like
what
to-
I was coming
I would
to.
just like to correct both of you.
Emotions have its
Both of
own
you.
value.
There's
Emotions
just
have
one
its
point.
own value,
There's
and the
just
statutory provision you need to be followed. You have when you're
Statutory
born in
provision
India.
are made for
It's
broker.
not like you.
Every businessman in this current scenario is broking the statutory norms. I
No,
have
so
I
this
have
is
done
wrong.
I have also
Emotion-
done the audit. I have also done the audit.
Dhirubhai
where the
Ambani didn't come and said, I have made the fault, give me the penalty.
Why are
He was
internal
the
financial
tax.
controls then?
Let me
Why are internal
He was
financial
the
controls
tax.
then?
He
Why
was
is
the
IFC
tax.
audit done then?
Yeah, it's the auditor duty, no? It's the auditor duty to check all this.
He was taxed, that's why he said that I am getting you a penalty.
Just
Let me just please have a point.
I think we can speak at a time.
So let me finish
Just
my
big-
point.
just-
I just have to say something. You are saying that I have something in government, I have broken the government's provision. The MAT provision came into existence because Dhirubhai exploited the loopholes in the law, and after that the government realized that and the carry forward depreciation there were some loopholes. So he did not break the law. He used his mind, and thereafter the law, the people realized that there
Actually,
was no
the
such
point is
provision.
actually
Yeah,
what
You
Absolutely
are
right. You're
just
absolutely right.
confined to those provisions
Yes,
which he has
actually,
created,
what he
but
was
there
telling-
have been provisions which
Yes.
were already created
Yes.
and he has broken them.
Yes.
It is commendable that he
So
has
he should be-
been the reason why Matt has.
Because he broke the law in the new
The
law
tax
cap.
he didn't
If he
pay
didn't broke the law, then
was
any
used for
I just have a question to each and every one of you.
Excuse me.
I just have a question to each and every one of
Just a
you.
minute. What is the question is there?
That's what I'm coming to.
Exactly,
I'm
which
coming
we
to.
have
Emotion piece.
हाँ वही.
So I answered that long back. Dhirubhai was not wrong, but he should be penalized. I mean, like, he should be punished.
Okay, now let's please come to the second part of the conversation.
I was asking, does anyone have this opinion that jury should be swayed by emotional
No,
I
feelings?
am against it. Jury should not be. Why?
So
Because
everyone-
ultimately we are business.
So I think that can be cut off because we have a consensus there, so we can focus right now on the topic because everybody has a consensus. Jury should not be
Because
swayed
the
by emotional
tax
feelings.
that he didn't pay was also for the general public. He has saved the money, of course, he has for the benefit of public, employment opportunity, everything was created. But the tax he didn't pay can be used for the general public as a whole, for whole India. That tax has been saved. By the maybe he said that I am doing charity, but who are you to do the charity? There is a government sitting.
There are lots of people, but nobody
This
has
government
has
is
the
a sector.
the
Just a
government
minute,
has
just a
not
minute. I
done
want to ask something. You are saying that government is there to do all the things, and
The taxes are used.
do you think that
government
potentially
has-
government is doing all the
Who is
things?
choosing the correct government? We are only choosing.
We are choosing.
We should stand by
I think
Okay,
we are
just a
getting overswayed. The government is not about selecting the right
Let him
government.
speak, let him finish.
You are saying we are preparing we are forming the government. Okay? Now government is not doing the same thing. Who will take the action? Who will take the action? We will take the action. That's why Dhirubhai Ambani, or as a businessman, I will do. Why? Because if I will not show the government that you are wrong, that's why I am not paying the tax. After that, it may be I am wrong. It may be. But the other people who is in our society, in our culture, will follow me because they also realize that the government is.
Okay, I get your point, but the problem with your point is you are saying because the government is not good and they are not being able
No,
to.
no, I am just crossing his point. He is saying.
Let him complete. You are saying because the government is wrong and the government is not being able to apply all the provisions of the general mass and the government is wrong. So you as a person will come to the picture and try to change the whole world by not following.
Last
the
1
provisions-
minute.
Not following the provisions, becoming an example. I think that is not the right way, because if you really want to change things, you have to change the government. You are ultimately choosing.
Last
the government.
1 minute.
Change the government.
Yes, yes,
Not go against the.
Okay, okay. Now you are saying.
We all agree that
Can we all speak for 10 seconds? It will be over.
Yeah.
What's your take? Should Dhirubhai first Dhirubhai?
I will give my final opinion. I think Dhirubhai was not correct in flouting the statutory provisions as prevalent. And secondly, I am against the jury being swayed by emotion.
That was done. What is your take?
Just 10
I am
seconds.
in favor of Dhirubhai Ambani, and I think that jury should not.
Yeah, I would like to say in this budget 2016.
We are not talking
Yeah,
about
yeah,
budget.
I can only say it is a-
You are out of your budget, please.
Yeah.
I only say my question is very much relevant. Let me finish.
No, you have to give a conclusion. Now we are.
What is your conclusion?
I think Dhirubhai Ambani was not wrong. He had to change the role. Somebody had to do it. He was a leader, and we did it. And I think I totally agree. But the jury should not be snapped.
What is your take?
Whoever does it, it
Same here. I think Dhirubhai Ambani was correct, but the jury should not be swayed.
Because the budget, all these things are made for the corporate. Because in this startup India, all these things are done by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and it should be the law should be flowed out somewhere. So Dhirubhai Ambani was right, and the jury. And the second question, jury should be sort of also. Thank you very much.